Are you thinking about moving to Celina, Texas, or buying a home in Celina, Texas? If so, you may want to buy a new construction home in the Parks at Wilson Creek. This is a 720-acre master planned community being developed by Cambridge Companies, which is the same developer that did Mustang Lakes. They are going to have so many amenities and open spaces here. We are in the beginning stages of development, so right now is such an opportune time to secure a lot and build the home of your dreams. Hi, I'm Cami Hall, your Celina, Texas realtor, brokered by TCRE, and in this channel, I show you what it's like to live in the best North Dallas suburbs like Prosper and Celina. Today, I'm going to show you what it's like living in the Parks at Wilson Creek, including location, schools, amenities, and then I'll take you on a tour through the Tradition Homes model right here on site. If you are thinking about buying a home and making a move to Celina, Texas, then this video is for you. Let's go. The Parks at Wilson Creek is well situated in the Celina, Texas countryside, away from all the hustle and bustle, but also conveniently located just off the outer loop and near Custer Road, which is a 4-lane highway giving you easy access to Highway 380 and the North Dallas Tollway. It's just 45 minutes away from downtown Dallas, 15 minutes away from the gates of Prosper, which has all of the big box stores and restaurants and just about everything you could possibly need. And you are also just 12 minutes away from historic downtown Celina, where you have all sorts of boutique shops and restaurants and a weekly farmers market. This community will offer endless opportunities to enjoy the outdoors with a 100-acre city park right here in the community, as well as miles and miles of walking trails, biking trails, resort-style pool, kiddie pool, lifestyle programming, sand volleyball, basketball courts, pickleball courts. It'll have 12 lakes, pocket parks, and a lot of native outdoor spaces as well. They'll also have a second amenity center featuring pools, sports courts, indoor gathering spaces, fitness center, and more. No matter what you like to do, there is going to be plenty here to keep you busy. The Parks at Wilson Creek is zoned for Celina ISD schools, which have an A- rating on niche.com and is rated the 11th best school district in Collin County. School-aged children living in the Parks at Wilson Creek currently attend Odell Elementary, which has an A rating on niche.com, Jerry Linda Moore Middle School, which has an A- on niche.com, and Celina High School, which has a B+ rating. There will also be a future on-site elementary school right here in the community. The Parks at Wilson Creek features quality builders like David Weekley Homes, Highland Homes, Perry Homes, and Tradition Homes. Homes in this neighborhood are ranging from the mid-400s all the way to $1 million, and they have 40, 50, and 60-foot lots available. Today we are going to tour the Tradition Homes model right here in the Parks at Wilson Creek. Let's go! This 5071 Tradition Homes model includes 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a flex or media room, study, game room, and a 3-car tandem garage. This gorgeous 2-story home has a great room that offers a gas fireplace and extends into the dining and kitchen areas, which is a perfect place for entertaining. The kitchen has so much counter space and a spacious walk-in pantry, and the owner's suite includes vaulted ceilings, an optional box window, and the owner's bath includes a large shower, soaking tub, and a walk-through closet that leads to the laundry room. Contact me at the number below for pricing and incentives, and enjoy the tour. Hey, it's Cami. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you're interested in more master planned communities in Celina, Texas, you should watch my Lilyana video or my Cambridge Crossing video. I'll link them up here for you. And if you are ready to start your home search in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I would love to help you. So let's schedule a call. You can text me or call me, or you can schedule a time to meet through on my calendar, and that'll be in the description. I can't wait to talk to you. I hope you have a great day.